iTorial, Intelligent Tutorials. CentOS6, Standard Input, Output, and Error Handling. This is an intermediate tutorial that shows how to redirect standard input in CentOS6. This is part 5 of a 5-part series. Redirecting standard input with the cat command. The cat command reads one or more files and copies them to standard output like so. Cat, then the file name. In most cases, you can think of the cat as being similar to the type command in DOS. You can use it to display files without paging. Try typing this, for example. Cat, C-A-T, space ls-out put.txt, then click return. If you don't have the ls-output.txt file already in your system, you can download it from the description box below. This command will display the contents of file ls-output.txt. Cat is often used to display short text files. Since cat can accept more than one file as an argument, it can also be used to join files together. Say we have downloaded a large file that has been split into multiple parts. Multimedia files are often split this way on Usenet. And let's say we want to join them back together. If the files were named rejoin.mp3.01 and rejoin.mp3.02 and rejoin.mp3.03, we could rejoin them with a command like this. cat space rejoin dot mp3.0 then asterisk space greater than sign space rejoin dot mp3. Then click return. Since wildcards always expand in sorted order, the arguments will be arranged in the correct order. This is all well and good, but what does this have to do with standard input? Nothing really, but let's try something else. What happens if we enter cat with no arguments? Try typing cat, then clicking return. Nothing happens. It just sits there like it's hung. It may seem that way, but it's really doing exactly what it's supposed to do. If cat is not given any arguments, it reads from standard input, and since standard input is, by default, attached to the keyboard, it's waiting for you to type something. So try typing this. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog, period. Next type Control D. For example, hold down the Control key, then press D, to tell cat that it has reached the end of file on standard input. In the absence of file name arguments, cat copies standard input to standard output, so we see our line of text repeated. We can use this behavior to create short text files. Let's say that we wanted to create a file called lazy_dog.txt containing the text in our example. We can try typing this. Cat, C-A-T, space greater than sign, space lazy dog, L-A-Z-Y _ D-O-G.txt. Then click return. Then type this. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog, period. Then click return. Then click Control D. Using the command line, we have implemented the world's dumbest word processor. To see our results, we can use cat to copy the file to standard output again. Type this. cat space lazy _ dog.txt, then click Return. Now that we know cat accepts standard input in addition to file name arguments, let's try redirecting standard input. Type this, cat space less than sign space lazy underscore dog.txt. Then click Return. Using the less than sign redirection operator, we change the source of standard input from the keyboard to the file lazy_dog.txt. We can see that the result is the same as passing a single file name argument. This is not particularly useful compared to passing a file name argument, but it serves to demonstrate using a file as a source of standard input. Other commands make better use of standard input, as we will soon see. Before we end this lesson today, check the man page for more information on cat. It has several interesting options. You can go to the man page for cat by simply typing man space cat and then clicking Return. Once you're done looking at the man page, press Q and then Return again to quit the less pager. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and we hope you come back to watch another iTorial tutorial sometime soon.